Today's random travel is to the pumpkin house in Kenova, West Virginia. How about that?
It's time to start Random Travels. Glad you're here to watch Random Travels. Get your popcorn for Random Travels. Start the always entertaining. Start the awesome and amazing show.
I'm on my way to see the pumpkin house because it's free. But you can buy a souvenir t-shirt. Frankly, I'd like to have some steak tips. Check it out. This is the Ditto House. And here it is in all its majesty and glory. The famous pumpkin house. But what would a pumpkin house be without pumpkins? Well, don't worry because they're everywhere. But these pumpkins have all kinds of crazy faces, and many of them were made by a whole bunch of volunteers. Can you spot some of your favorite characters? I'm looking out for Big Footy Squatch. Oh no! Radioactive pumpkins! Run for your lives! Just kidding. I'm gonna take it kinda slow with the camera so you can get a good look at these pumpkin heads. I hope Linus gets a visit from the Great Pumpkin. Maybe he'll get a ride on the Great Pumpkin spaceship. Hey, did you know there's a big wall of musical pumpkins? Well, check this out. It's pretty impressive the way they can fit each orchestra member inside of those pumpkins. Do you see what I see? Yikes! For a bit of history, this house is on the National Historic Register. When the Griffith family moved here in 1991, they carved up a bunch of pumpkins, but then eventually started getting help from the high school kids, and the numbers started to grow and grow every year. Until finally today, we have the magic number of 3,000 pumpkins, which seems to be just the right amount. Back here is the workshop area where the pumpkins get carved. A place called Rump Arena. It's patriotic pumpkins. How about that? Oh boy, check this out. Presidents on pumpkins. This is a very impressive display, even if you don't like presidents or pumpkins. Now I know I'm not getting these in order. I can't really do that, so don't blow your tops. Just be cool and just admire these pumpkin-y portraits. And how's come these old-time presidents always have big bushy beards, but you never see beards on presidents anymore? Uh-oh, the last pumpkin. But before we go, here's one last look at the orchestra pumpkins.
Please give a big thumbs up if you like the video. I'll see you on the next Random Travels. Subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss any shows. You can even buy a shirt. Just click the link down below. Woohoo, this is fun.